How to recover your Facebook account without email or password. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover your Facebook account without your email or your password. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your web browser. I'll use Google Chrome for now. Go to the search bar and simply search for Facebook recovery and hit enter. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the account recovery option on Facebook Help Center. Then you can just click on recover an account. Now from your Facebook Help Center, you can just go ahead and tap on the second option. I think my account was hacked. Then from here, what you can do is if your account was hacked, go to this website. Then just go ahead and select any one of the options. Tap on continue. And then from here, you can scroll down and find the other option to start a checkup. Now go ahead and click on get started. It will automatically scan your account, and if your account needs a password change, you can directly do that. So let's just wait for a bit for now. Now tap on continue. Now to keep your account secure, you need to type in your current password and your new password. If you're unsure your current password, then you can easily recover it using your phone number or send an SMS to it. And that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.